So viewers, we have entered the phase 3 of the lockdown across the country, and it seems like the cases are still on the rise. In fact, with a stronger measure now when it comes to following this lockdown really help in flattening the curve, because even as at this point we have reported over 52,900 positive cases across the country. Let's take a look at some reports filed by my colleagues from across the country. First up, this report filed by Amandeep from Chandigarh. Let's take a look.
On the day 4th of lockdown 3.0, the Chandigarh administration has relaxed the norms of the lockdown. Liquor shops are being open, essential shops and non-essential shops are open every day, but with the formula of even and odd. Right now we are standing in Sector 21 market, where we can show you the shops that remain open every day but with the formula of even and odd. This is the liquor shop that 2 days before the administration has given them the relaxation to open the stores with the limited hours, 10 to 6 p.m. From 10 a.m. in the morning till 6 p.m. in the evening. This is the timings that has been given by the administration to all the shops, even essential, even non-essential. You can see the market, the even odd formula applied to every shop. Essential including the non-essential. Bakeries are also remain open, clothes stores, shoe stores, every shop is open, but the malls, the shopping centers, the cinema theaters, restaurants and all the gathering halls remain closed, just because lockdown is still here in the Chandigarh, and the situation is little tense just because the number of positive cases have been crossed the line of 120, and now there are certain contained zone that has completely sealed and locked. There was no such relaxation in the contained zone, but there are certain sectors which have given the relaxations from 10 a.m. till 6 p.m. and even for the residents there is a relaxation from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. People can come out of their houses for the evening walk, morning walk, but in among these 12 hours the relaxation sustains. But after that lockdown situation remains strict, and police started patrolling, and people who found out of their houses is turned to be the violation of the lockdown and get punishment for this.
Are right now standing outside one of the largest fruit, vegetable and flower markets in Asia, the Coimbatore market in Chennai city, which has become the talking point for the last few days, and which has become the hotspot of the COVID-19 spread in the state of Tamil Nadu. On any other given day, you can see thousands of people, at this point of time, buzzing with activities every day, where in fact people from various parts of Chennai and various districts coming here for the trade of the vegetable, fruits and also flowers. But now it is totally deserted, since the Chennai Corporation and also the CMDA, the authority which maintains this particular place, have ordered to shut down the entire place because of the massive spread of the COVID-19. But still, the Coimbatore cluster is haunting the state with almost 1,000+ cases only in Tamil Nadu, which is still increasing. So the government have also mentioned that there have been almost 7,500 people across the state, and 1,200 people in Chennai have been quarantined for visiting this particular place in last 10 to 15 days. So the infection started on 27th of April, where 2 initial cases started, and then the government also intensified the tests at this particular place, and then number of cases started coming up. So even the government cannot totally shut down this place, so they've shifted this market to another location which is 30 kilometers from Chennai, which is at the border of Chennai, which is called Thiruvannamalai. So the government is very clear that the operation should run, because this is the market, the Coimbatore market is the market which in fact supplies fruits and vegetables to the entire Chennai city and also in many parts of the northern Tamil Nadu.